Guys, welcome back. You know it's the season for baking, so today I'm going to show you how I do my Jamaican fruit cake. So over here I have my fruits. These fruits are soaking from like 2016, so each time I use some, I put it back and put it in the fridge and let it stay there and soak. Got that. I have my eggs here, my butter, I have my sugar, I have my vanilla. So I'm gonna get down to business right now. Guys, I have my sugar and my butter, so I'm gonna cream my sugar and my butter. So now guys, as you can see, my butter and my sugar looks all fluffy. I reduced the sugar, guys, because remember I reduced the amount of sugar because remember the fruits is already sweet. So now guys, I have some egg here. I have like 9 eggs, so I'm gonna put it in the mixture. At this point guys, I put a egg in so it kind of separated the butter and the egg and the sugar. So all you need to do is use some flour to correct it so it's not spoiled. Just need some flour and you're good to go. I'm gonna gradually add my flour. Guys, I'm gonna put my fruits in, so I'm gonna put 3 cups. That's 1, that's 2, that's 3. Now I'm gonna fold it in. And these fruits are soaking like from 2016 in red label wine and white rum. Teaspoon of mixed spice, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon powder, 2 teaspoons of nutmeg, spoon vanilla essence, in with my browning, 1.5 tablespoon. And guys, remember you can't put too much browning as your cake is going to be bitter. So I'm gonna fold it in. So that's 1.5 tablespoon of browning, gravy browning, and I'm using this one, Grace browning. And if you see the needs where you want a little bit more, you can add it, but make sure you don't put too much because as I said, you don't want your cake to taste bitter. Grate some lemon zest. Give it that extra kick. So I grated my lemon zest. Now I'm gonna add some Rainifi white rum. That's like 1/4 cup. Guys, if you ever smell this cake, oh my god, oh my god. And my oven's already preheated to 400. We're gonna round and in, round and in. So guys, I finished mixing, so I'm gonna get my pans ready. Tastes amazing, guys. The rum is kicking, that red label wine is kicking. My pans are greased. I'm gonna put my mixture in. My oven's already preheated, so I'm gonna put my mixtures in. So now guys, I'm gonna tap them on the counter to get out if there's any air bubbles. So any air bubbles. So now I'm gonna put them in the oven. My oven is preheated, and in my oven I have a set of water bath there, so it helps the cake to not dry out. So now guys, I put them inside the oven, so I'm gonna leave it to bake for 1 hour and 30 minutes. Guys, that's the final result of my fruit cake. So you know guys, you know what time is it. All I want you guys to do is like this video, share this video, comment down below, let me know what you think about this lovely Jamaican fruit cake. And if you are not already subscribed to my channel, please do so on your way out, and don't forget to hit that notification button so you'll be notified each time I upload a video. I hope you all enjoy this video. Until next time, I'm out. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year when it comes.